Okay, don't have enough time. What's up, guys? Oh god, hope's not cut out, but what's up, guys? TS here, and today we're gonna play some Bedwars with horrible frame rate. Let's go. So today I want to talk about my computer upgrade. I'm not sure if I'm going to be upgrading yet because clearly coronavirus has affected me a lot, and now I'm having low income, and now I'm going to struggle with money. Oh no, he's gonna rush me. He's a rusher. Oh shoot, I messed up block placements. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. I'm a pro gamer, I'm not a pro gamer, I'm just a noob that somehow knows how to play Bed Wars. Alright, that's me in a nutshell, thank you. Alright, anyways, this guy just towered up because he's an annoying dude. Hello, sir. You want to tower down? Hello? Hello, sir. I wasn't able to aim. He's gonna get my bed. He's gonna get my bed. No, never mind. Got him. I didn't do anything. 8, 10. Reach when I need to. Alright. I'm sorry if there's outside noise. It's bound to happen. He's like, I need to survive this. Let's go! Oh my god, I'm a pro gamer. I'm certified pro gamer. Let's go. Woo! Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I made moves. I made some moves. Let's go. Every time I record, I always think my voice sounds strange, but it's just how I sound on a recording because I'm not used to it. Anyways, back with the video. Let's get some actual sharpness. And this is like an iron sword, and it will do a truckload. This shop. Anyways, I'm thinking of upgrading my computer, but then my CPU might not have a chance to actually start lagging. That's the only downside with my CPU. It's literal garbage. I just noticed I could jump that. But I don't really know much to talk about. It's not really much of my life, apart from school. But school's like everybody's most hated thing. White and pink. Pink! Woo! I'm a pro gamer. Okay, I can't bridge there. Not bridge, place blocks, damn it. Oh god, my bed's destroyed. I am dead. Look at this. He has wool. He has wool. He has wool. I have shears. Haha. Don't know everybody's behind me. Oh no. Aw, next game. I don't even have much time. I don't have much time to record, so I guess this is gonna be the last one. Let me check the time. Yeah, that was only 6 minutes. It's gonna go black because my computer cannot record sometimes. I guess it has to switch. It's just that my computer's literal garbage. The only thing it is, it's just integrated graphics. That's what I'm using right now. I should actually have a little bit lowest. to actually get a little bit of frame rate. He's gonna be rushing. That's the thing. It's gonna be rushing. Whoo. He got wool. I'm pretty sure yellow sees me. No! What? Oh, that's sad. That's so sad. Now I didn't get my bed. My bed's gone. And it's compromised. It's compromised. I don't know how I'm still doing slightly well. Let me get a layer of wool. Okay, see, now he's at my bridge. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Knock him off. I'm too scared. Let's go. Anyways, now I'm gonna have tons of king, which I love king. I love my computer. I love it because it has great internet. I can't hate it. Not a single bit. This and this. Ha, got him. We got each other. That's sad. If I can avoid shears, I will do it right now. Look at this. Oh, look at this. This stone sword will be doing nothing. Oh, look at that. He has the same strategy as I do. Ah, let's go. I hit him twice because of latency. No, I want to put it in there. Okay, I thought someone was coming because I was scared because I thought there was a name coming, but no, it's not. We are just always on the bridge. We are just... Hold on! Oh my god, shut up! Ah! Damn it, stop! Damn it! Uh-huh. Great, now you hear my mom. Great. Oh god, my bed's compromised. Why is it not running? Why do I not have talks+don't? Why was that off? What? I don't understand. I actually don't understand. What the heck's this scam? I just got scammed. I just got a knockback stick. Give me one gap, please. Actually. Fuck. I'm going to die. Suffer pain. Hello, sir. Oh, God. Oh, he died. Woo. Woo. It's an old cow. I'm going to die. Good thing is, I actually have a knockback stick. Oh, come on. I am dead. I am so dead. Look at that. Oh, fuck my mom. Actually, don't do that. I just mean, like, I hate my mom. Ah! I just can't get frame rate with this shit. Just can't. It will not render. It will not render. This is Minecraft in a nutshell. It's completely AIDS. Because I cannot see anything. What was that? I was shifted. I was shifted. That's a scam. That's a scam. That was a scam. Scammer. I was shifted. Look, I'm shifted. And now I don't fall. I need more blocks. I can't see. No, I'm turning this stupid shit off. I'm turning it off. I'm turning it off. I don't care. It's just slight lag spike. It'll be fine. Stupid lazy chunk rendering. I don't need that shit. No, I don't need it. I will never need it. That man is still alive. Hello. I can just one more. Give me one more. Come on. It's not much to talk about in my life. That's why every single episode there's not much commentary except me complaining about frame rate. I'm sorry. It's not entertaining. Oh God. Why? Apparently there's... I swear I should probably try and make a GUI bigger. I'm pretty sure that's just screen base. Yes, that's screen base. It's been eliminated. Wrong button. No need to rush that base now. Then just rush Aqua. Which is good. Very good. Very good for me. Aqua only has wool. I'm so happy. That smiley face tells everything. Gray base is getting the bed. You could beat the threat. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. It will be fine. I'll be thriving. Aqua does not exist? What? Time to get sharpness. So this is like a stone sword. Okay, he got my bed. He's gonna get my bed. He's gonna get my bed. He's gonna get my bed. I can't even aim. I cannot aim. Oh my God. No, I can't aim it. This is why you don't try to record when you get literally 15 frames. That's back. That's why you don't record when you have 15 frames. Never record. It's almost school for me, and I didn't even say. Yeah. Just upgrade your computer before you try and record. And let's just say that you're going to lose every single time. Just say that. Without further ado, this video is going to be over because I'm going to be late for school. Well, late for math class. What? No, math is for nerds. I'm just kidding. School's important. You need to do it. I guess that wraps up this video. It's quite a confusing video. Yeah, it's just a confusing video. That's me. That's me. Alright. Video's gonna end. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Please subscribe. It will help me a lot. Maybe tell this to your friends. It will help me a lot. I'm not gonna do that weird subscribe bug thing because no, I'm not doing that. That's just gonna get me one-time subs. Maybe, I don't know. But please do this. Please like, subscribe. It will help me a lot. Without further ado, this video is over. Like and subscribe. I'm gonna be out. And don't do drugs, kids. Just don't.